welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very gorgeous curly V-part wig for you guys. You guys know I've been reviewing a lot of V-part wigs recently, and let me just say this now, this is by far the best one I've reviewed. Out of all the, I think 3 or 4 that I've reviewed, this is the best one. The hair texture is so soft, it's incredibly soft. I barely got any tangling or any shedding, and it's just a really nice, gorgeous looking wig. Anyways, let me not talk too much. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so I'll be notified for when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so this is the box that the hair comes in. As you can see, the Alipearl logo is clearly there. So that is the wig in the pack. And these are all the other stuff that usually come in the box. Wig cap, satin bag to store your wigs, lashes, all that other stuff. So I'm just taking out the wig from the packaging, and this is what the curl pattern looks like straight out of the box, as you guys can see. I haven't even defined it yet or done anything, and this is how it looks straight out of the box. The first thing I noticed was how full the wig is. So it comes with clips, as you can see, to attach it to your hair. It also comes with an elastic band and combs as well for extra security. So now I'm about to put this wig on my head, and like I said, the wig is so full, and it's full up until the ends. As you guys can see, it's a very thick wig. This wig is the 22-inch curly V-part wig, 180% density, and I was actually shocked when I realized it was only 180% density, because it feels like a 250% density wig. So those are the clips that I'm using to attach the wig to my braids. As you can see, I'm not leaving any hair out. I've shown you guys a method on how to attach a V-part wig with no leave outs, and I'm going to be doing that same thing again for this wig. I showed you guys the process in the previous video. You can click the I at the top if you want to see the video in more detail, but I'm just basically going to be repeating the same process here. I'm going to be taking a latch hook and using it to crochet the hair at the parting to make it look more natural. So I'm taking my latch hook, as you guys can see, passing it through my my hair at the roots. I'm gonna take a piece of hair from the V-part wig, put it on the latch hook, and just slide it through, and that's basically it. Like I said, if you want to see this process in more detail, click the I at the top for my previous video where I showed you guys the process. This method is really good for people that don't like to worry about blending their hair with a V-part wig, or people that just want a full protective style. And as you can see, I am done with the parting, and it's looking way more natural than before. So I'm just fluffing the hair out, and as you can see, like I said, this hair is huge. Again, it's only 180% density, and it looks like it's 250% density wig. The hair is so full, and I absolutely love it. I love very thick, full wigs, and this hair is giving me life. So I'm just coming up close to show you guys what the parting looks like after I did the crochet method. Like I said before, that crochet method works really well with curly hair. If you're gonna use that method on straight hair, you might have to tease or back comb the hair at the roots to create volume. But for curly hair, it works really, really well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what the wig looks like from different angles. And I'm also going to be defining the curls later on in the video, so you guys will see what it looks like defined. I really didn't want to define the curls because I really, really love how it looks very full and big like this. But just for the sake of the video, I'm also going to be defining the curls, so just so that you can just see what it looks like. Anyways, I'm showing you guys the ends. Like, see what I mean? The ends are so full. The ends aren't see-through or anything like that. Like, the wig is literally thick from roots to ends. So I'm just turning around so that you guys will see this wig really well. This wig is so gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. Out of all the V-part wigs I reviewed recently, this is by far the nicest one. So now I'm defining the curls, taking some warm water in a spray bottle and spraying it on the hair. And before I even start to brush the hair, you guys will see how the curls already start to form. And see, that whole section only got like 1 or 2 strands of shed hair. The hair barely sheds. So I'm applying water and now I'm applying mousse. And as you can see, the curls are already forming. I haven't even brushed the hair yet. Look at that. This wig is so easy to handle. It's really soft. Like, it feels soft like butter. I don't even know how to describe it. Alipearl did their thing on this wig, honestly. They've been around for a while, so I guess their quality of hair has gotten so much better. So now I'm just brushing the hair. As you guys can see, the brush is literally just gliding through the hair. There are no tangles in this hair at all, and that's really a big deal for hair that is this full and this curly to not have any tangles. The brush literally just slides through. See, can you see that? I had to slow it down so that you guys really see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up defining the curls. Actually, I'm gonna define the curls on one side, then do like compare how it looks like defined on one side to how it looks undefined on the other side. Okay, so as you can see, the left side is undefined and the right side is defined. On the right side that is defined, I still have a lot of volume there, even though I have defined the curls. So if you want to wear it in a defined look, you will still have a lot of volume in the hair. I don't know how they did this wig and made it this full. I really don't know what they did, but I love that they did it. Okay, so that is the entire wig defined, and I'm just gonna turn around so that you guys will see what it looks like. This wig is beautiful. I don't know how many times I will say that this wig is gorgeous. I mean, you guys can clearly see it for yourselves. This is a beautiful wig. So now let's get into the specs of the hair. Okay guys, so this wig basically speaks for itself. As you guys can see, this wig is absolutely stunning. The wig is gorgeous. It is so soft. I've reviewed I think about 3 V-Par wigs now, and this one is hands down the softest one that I've reviewed. Barely any tangling or shedding. It is so incredibly soft. Kinky curly or Afro kinky curly V-Par wigs tend to look different from different companies. From all the V-Par wigs that I've reviewed recently, I think this one is the best one, honestly. This one is the nicest looking one, it's the softest one. I absolutely love how it feels, and it's so thick. This is a 180% density wig. It feels like a 250. Do you see how big this thing is? So I can imagine what the 250% density wig will look like. This wig is very full, as you guys can see. And this is also 22 inches, and it also looks pretty long for a 22, honestly. I thought to me this feels like it's a 24, but apparently it's a 22. So their wigs are very full and very long. Ah, this is such a gorgeous wig. I cannot believe this thing is only 180% density. Do you see how big it is? This is crazy. And you guys saw how I did the parting. I did not leave any of my own hair out. I used the no leave out method for this. So I have no complaints. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a straight 10. Straight 10. I barely got any tangling, barely got any shedding. I'm gonna leave all the information down below in the description box if you guys want to get the wig. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.